Hello people, welcome to Linear Algebra, Math 204. My name is Zanin, and this semester we are going to have fun together through this course. I hope you will learn a lot, you will work a lot, that's for sure. Without losing any time, let's see the syllabus, which was already sent to you. So here you have the syllabus, 6 pages. It's already on the Blackboard, and also I sent it to you by email. Basically the first 2 pages, rarely anybody reads that. Maybe one important information is the book, and this is the book. Normally you need to have a link to this book. In the meantime, I have posted some PDF document on the Blackboards that will help you actually while you're waiting for the book, and you can start reading it. By the way, you should, because there's a lot of material, especially at the beginning. You need to learn a lot of vocabulary, a lot of expressions. So the first part will be these matrices and Gauss-Jordan elimination, and then chapter 2 determinants. So in the chapter 1 you will need to learn a lot of vocabulary. So that's why it is important to start reading those documents as soon as possible. We have standard evaluation. We have 40% for the quizzes, 25 for midterm, and 35 for final. That's the standard distribution, so nothing special there. The real meat starts on page 3. So you have basically my information, some office hours. Obviously you can email me anytime you like, so we can communicate through email or through MS Teams. You can send your questions and I'll answer. Normally I have also Q&A file that I update and then send you updates on that. The part that is maybe more stressful for you is quizzes. Good news, we have only 4. We dropped the lowest, so the only 3 best quizzes will count. So these are the dates. So write down the dates, and you do not have any conflicts with these dates. If you do, you have conflict with some other course, not this one. And our midterm scheduled for Monday, October 19th, during the class time. Again, there's no conflict possible. If you have 2 exams or whatever, you need to negotiate with somebody else, not me. Good. So standard procedure for the missed quizzes or midterm, you just get 0 because you're not there, no matter the reason. That's simple. Just be there. That's it. Page 4 gives us pretty much the teaching plan, the table by week. So first 2 weeks are basically focused on chapter 1, where you need to learn a lot of expressions, a lot of the definitions, some of the procedures too. So it's very important to start reading that early. And then it gives you pretty much all the rest of the material that we are going to go through anyway. So for now, it doesn't mean anything to you, so I'm not going to just read it for nothing. You will learn all those things that look mysterious now. In December, you'll be experts in that. So here also just reminder that we have 4 quizzes, drop 1. One part that is important is to realize that you can use calculator, but normally you don't need it, because most of the operations are just additions and subtractions and multiplications of 1 single digit numbers. So second year university students should be able to do that. You cannot use your phone, obviously, during the examinations. Classroom policy, I guess online it doesn't apply that much. So if you miss something, normally it's your responsibility, but we will make things easier for you. You will see how very soon. And the last page is just breakdown of the grades. So letter and corresponding percentage, those things are standard, so there's nothing special there. The part that is important to realize is that your success will depend mainly on you. I prefer direct contact in classroom, but unfortunately we need to go on online, so it's going to be a little bit more complicated probably for the communication part, but what can we do? We'll try to make as much effort as we can to simplify the process. So the idea is, with Dr. Waldo, we like to record lectures ahead of time and then give you the link so you can watch the lecture when you want to watch the lecture actually, which gives you a lot of flexibility. So the next level which we reached is to record shorter videos, let's say 10 or 15 minutes, on specific topics, which will help you again focus on specific things. You will see a little bit of theory and examples. So basically the idea is we go into the classroom and write on the whiteboard and record it just like we would do it in normal classroom setting. So it's gonna be like somebody's writing on the board and talking. So that's classical lecture. So we are going to try to do that. Hopefully it will help you understand better and also help you focus on specific parts of the material. This adds more flexibility even to us if we need to revisit certain topics, record another short video. It's much easier and much better. So we hope that will be helpful to you mainly, and it's probably much better than having one long 75-minute video of a lecture and then you need to chase specific topics. By doing small short videos, maybe this will help. Then lecture time, mainly we could use it as question and answers if you have questions, and also whenever you have a question, you mail me question and I'll answer and update my question and answer document, the PDF file, and then send it to everybody. What could we do also is record, like we collect a couple of questions and then we solve them or answer them directly and record a video about it. So maybe that could help again. So that's on our part, the efforts that we are willing to do to actually help you navigate through the course and be as available as we can. That's on flexibility part. Now, since it's going to be online, obviously all evaluations will be online. So again, don't worry too much. We are flexible with that also. Normally when you finish, you will write by hand your answers on a sheet of paper, take pictures, upload them as you did for your final exams last semester. And then you upload, and obviously we know that system will have some glitches. It will take maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. So that's not a worry. What I'm worried is bad behavior from certain students. We have had reports of unethical behavior, cheating, and we don't like that. Actually, you shouldn't either. Don't do those things. This cheating activity is obviously unethical. It's obviously unlawful. It's obviously damaging your soul. It is not honorable behavior, and we don't encourage it. We discourage it. We don't want those things to happen. So it's more of a self-respect from your part, and this will actually test your character and your honesty, and you will see what you're made of. I hope you will all be honest and strong people and do the right thing, not cheat, not use illegal means to produce your answers. So be good people. On that subject, you can find already on Blackboard, I have posted a couple of files. So this one is one of them, and there is also a file about your goals and meaning and sacrifice, and I encourage you to read that, and hopefully you'll get some direction and you'll figure out why you are in school, and probably you'll understand that we are all here to help you develop as a professional and develop as a human being. We want good, competent professionals, and we want good human beings. That's very important. So I hope you will build your character through this, and you will behave ethically, and you will work hard, that's for sure. I can guarantee you that. But that's all to your benefit. Now, this course normally is not so complicated. Everybody will tell you, oh, it's easy. Well, I don't consider it easy because you have a lot of material to learn, a lot of expressions, definitions, and procedures that you need to learn. So in that sense, it's not so easy, but once you get the ball rolling, it will be much easier. So you will suddenly realize that you can learn things that you didn't even know existed before, and you can even master them and become really, really good in that, because many people before you did it, you can do it too. So don't panic about it, but be serious, be diligent, start reading those documents that I have posted, especially the chapter 1 from the book. It has been worked through a little bit. So this is online version that I found on internet for free, which is not exactly the same cover as our book, but it's pretty decent. It's actually the same material, just a different edition, nothing special. So what you will see is a document that reads chapter 1, read this, obviously. And we started with some, first we took out some of the content that is not really necessary. So you will see a lot of these white blocks. Well, not a lot in chapter 1, because maybe 95% of what was there is still there, because it is important. But you will see sometimes, like here, you have these blank spots. So the exercises that were there, I judged them not really important or not related. So you focus on whatever you see actually. So it's as simple as that. Whatever is there, you need to go through it. Just read through it. It's very important to go through section 1, so 1.1 and 1.2. It's very intuitive. You will learn some vocabulary there, and I encourage you to start reading it. And that will help you, because we will use this for entire semester. So the knowledge you gain here will be crucial. It will be used non-stop. So next step from my side will be to record some shorter videos explaining this material and giving examples on top of the examples that you have in the book. So reading the book is fundamental. Watching the videos will help a lot. Also, you have previous slides that are already uploaded in Blackboard. Use them too. So it's a combination of several sources that actually talk all about the same thing, trying to expose you to the same material in several times, in different ways maybe, and hoping that you will be accustomed to it and learn more and learn easier. So you see here, let's say the entire page gone. Beautiful. So all the material that I judged was not fundamental to us. So just go through it. It's very important, and talk to you soon. Hopefully you will enjoy the course and learn a lot. Bye.